Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. This is a 2012 Hawk 2-horse straight load gooseneck. This trailer has a mid-tack and a dressing room. This is a super nice trailer. This trailer is a one owner. She had it built for her. So it's a little different layout than probably your average one that's sitting on a lot. So it is the gray and black in color. Let me kind of show you around. It does not really have any major issues. No dings, no bangs, no fender issues. I can't really fault this trailer cosmetically for anything. All right, so as I said, it's a 2-horse straight load with a rear ramp and Dutch doors. It's extremely clean. It doesn't even look like a horse has been in it, to be completely honest with you. It has a rumber floor. That would be rubber planks that are like wood. So you do not need mats. So it's a rumber floor. It does have, let me do expanded. It does have all the pads. Padding is all good on the dividers, the button chest bars. It has the sliders on the rear. It does have 2 roof vents there in the front. It does have 2 full escape doors with windows. They're not drop windows, they're sliders. It does have a really nice, which I'm gonna have to go around to show you, head divider. So this is a walk-through door. So it's got a full head divider. Let me do expanded. All right, there, that's a little bit better. All right, so it does have a full head divider. Hawk trailers are steel frame, aluminum skin, and they do have a fiberglass roof. Very similar to a Gore, Trailette, Equispirit. All those brands are very similar in build. It does have an awning. So as I said, 2 full escape doors. And then it has a walk-through door to the mid-tack, which I'm gonna try to do expanded to kind of show you. So it has a mid-tack with saddle racks, hooks, a blanket bar, and then it has a door to the dressing room and then a door out. So, let me see. Try to kind of give y'all, all right, so there you go. Door out, spin around, door to the horse box. I'm standing in the dressing room with the door open. Dressing room has a vent. It has a little table, window. It does have electric and it has a 30 amp hookup. Has a boot box. Extremely clean trailer. I can't say that enough. Extremely clean. Again, no dings, bangs, issues. Camper door. All right, so let me kind of back up now. You can kind of see. So you got on this side, you've got the dressing room door, mid-tack door, escape door. Extremely clean, nice 2012 Hawk 2-horse straight load with mid-tack and dressing room, 30 amp electric power service with electric 110 outlets on the inside. Super nice trailer. Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. If you do see this video on any other website or Facebook group page, the trailer is at Carolina Trailer Sales, located in Colfax, North Carolina. It is not on some of these other websites. They don't really have the trailer. There's a lot of scamming going on, so I'm trying to just let everyone know. This trailer is at Carolina Trailer Sales. You can call me directly, Ashley, 828-773-4500. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.